Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly lecture video. I think this one might be a quick one. A few housekeeping issues that we need to discuss. Several people, in fact, about 5 or 6 people, have not completed discussion board 1.5, the proposal, the research topic proposal board. Please, this is urgent. I need to have some sort of a framework or an idea of where you're going, what your topic is as we're moving through all the research. You do have the annotated bibliography due at the end of the month. It'll be very difficult to focus that annotated bibliography for future use if you do not have a defined um, research topic. Okay, so please return back to that particular discussion board. It is critical. So the obvious elephant in the room is the annotated bibliography, and I'm going to jump to it real quick. There is the instructional video here that is pretty timely. I have all the different categories of sources. Please read this carefully. If you do take a look at the annotated bibliography example that's linked down here, you will see that this is an extensive document. Question came up this week, should we be accumulating sources for this now? Yes, you need to accumulate sources. If it's relevant and it might contribute to your particular research topic, my suggestion would be to to record it some way, take some notes on it. Always be aware of what you have. You can always sort out the sources and sift through them and see which ones are better than others. But this is an ongoing research project on one topic. That is why the completion of discussion board with the exercise 1.5, the topic proposal, is critical. Also, you want to catch the instructional video for the annotation. What is an annotation? They are extensive to write. So I'm just trying to inform everybody that this particular assignment is multi-layered. It is something that is really important to your research project. Sources come in, sources will go, but the design behind this is that all these sources and all your efforts will be working toward the final research draft of the research essay and developing that focus knowledge that Ballinger talks about in the textbook. All right, a lot of people did some really good work on exercise 2.1. You can use the example and the keywords to develop some links, whether articles or books, that will help you in your research for your topic and ultimately the annotated. One thing I want to point out, let's see here. Here we go, Drive. All right, you might look on page 65, kind of get a little bit of a head start here on using Google Scholar. I'm not sure if anybody's tried to use Google Scholar, but the idea here is you can link the Moraine Valley Web library site, I should say, to Google Scholar. So if you find a research article or a source information that is available on Google Scholar, oftentimes we run into paywalls. So the idea here is that they will let you know that that article is free through the library, right? Google Scholar is an academic database. It provides much of the same information, probably a little bit more, and it's a little bit easier to work with. So you might want to play with this. Another week or so down the line, we do have an activity for Google Scholar. So that's a little tip, along with some of the videos and resources that are compiled here in the library research page in the module in Canvas. All right, so this will point you in some directions between Google Scholar, the library research. Continue searching for your sources that will inform you on your research topic. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.